So, this is us making way, founding a new trail. So, we're gonna keep going down. I hear there's snakes in this area. So, might want to be careful. Yeah? Here we go. And parkour. Whew. See, this is just, careful,
okay.
Condition training for when I go to Scotland. I hear the Highlands of Scotland are very good. Yeah, it does look like someone was here. Yep. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm just more of a trail kind of person when I don't know if the snake's going to happen.
And today you are finding your inner Highlander. Okay, let's go down this way. See, we gotta go that way. Somewhere around that area. Alright,
Quite the adventure.
Yeah, yep. You got it? Alright. You make way. Where there is will, there is way.
You definitely have the will to get back to the trail. Now we just need to find the way.
Okay. Careful here. Hi, buddy. You leading us? Lead us not.
He came back for us.
Okay. Here we go. You right back there?
Yes.
Oh, this is fun. You good?
Yeah.
All right.
Give it time.
Das ist gut.
Oh yeah, people have definitely gone this way. Everything's all smashed.
Okay. Yeah, we're leveling out here. It's a beautiful country. But it looks green.
It looks too pretty. It's gotta be poison.
Too pretty. It's gotta be poison. Sorry, Rob. You're gonna die.
It looks like poison ivy.
Yeah. I can't say it. Come on, Robin. Watch out with the dirt.
Alright.
Do I?
Think. Methinks.
Watch out with the dirt.
Parkour. Yep. This is quite fun.
I feel like get a rash from some plant. That's poisonous.
I saw that rock on the way up.
Yeah.
Might even get back on the trail.
Oh, push it over.
Cause an avalanche. So, bringing up the rear here. Huh. Really don't want to fall down there.
I'm holding it, guys. I can't hold it much longer.
Wait.
Sorry.
Come on, Samson. I need you to carry that back.
Oh yeah. Go to the top and hold.
I hope we don't see mountain lions.
Mountain lions.
Pull it out.
Yeah, I would just take one back as a pet.
Go to the top of the rock and hold Robin.
Here, let me see if I can climb this.
Oh my gosh, be careful.
Here, bro.
Parkour. You can get on it from this side.
My legs are shaking.
Yeah. You probably can dip from this side, bro.
Here you go.
¿Hello? Sí, ahí vamos ya, como en media hora llegamos. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, está bien. Okay. Okay. Bye. Come on, bro. You got it.
Hey, look, it's a heart-shaped one.
It's a good sign. Is he rolling in the water, in the moisture?
Yeah, he's looking for moisture. Might have cut myself already.
There you go. You got your foot on already. Here you go. I doubt it's gonna be. Imagine, starts rocking.
Oh my god. I would have speeds I never knew I could reach.
You're like, just roll down here. Who cares?
I can't see him anymore. It looks like I'm filming a rock. What time is it?
11:20.
Oh my god, I need to get going.
Hi!
Hi!
Ready, bro?
As soon as he makes it up the rock. You could do it!
What time's your appointment?
I canceled it, but my
Oh.
mom's taking us back to school.
What time are you guys gonna go back?
12? Probably 12:30 now.
Just hop on there, bro.
I'm not as skinny as I used to be.
Oh.
Don't
hurt yourself.
Swing over.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, don't swing all the way over and come back.
my legs are still shaking.
You got insurance, bro?
Huh?
You have health insurance?
I do.
Okay, you can go for it. Hospital's like right there. Hospital's right there.
Just keep rolling if you fall.
White building, hospital, and where's the other
There's
white
a closer one.
Where's the other white building?
More that way, probably more.
It's over there, behind the
Oh,
rock.
behind the rocks, another one, bro.
That one's real close. So if you start rolling, just keep rolling.
Thanks, guys. Oh my gosh, why can't I do it?
Because it takes courage.
It
I
does.
need to watch the movie Courageous again.
There you go.
Oh, how's he gonna get back down?
You gotta jump. You made it, bro.
You did it! Are you okay?
Broken collarbone.
Yay!
Alright, bro, now let's get down.
That's the tricky part. You gotta pull the muscle.
Are you gonna be okay?
Yes, I think so. Maybe. Alright. You can check this off my bucket list.
Climb difficult rock.
Check!
I think we better go to here. Just hop back onto that other rock, bro.
Top is loose on this one. I used to jump from the roof of my house. That was a lot of drama, I know. Gosh. Alright. Whew. Alright. That was fun. God bless. Take care. See you at the bottom.